everyone, welcome back again to the channel. How is everybody doing today? This is a new way of installing hair, so yeah, without closure or frontal. This is a C-part hairstyle installation or hair or weaves installation. Please do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Watch the video to the end so that you will see the whole process, and also how I eventually close the sew in. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah. All right, first you want to make sure your client's hair is neat before starting up any process or before starting up any installation of weaves. Right now I'm taking my tail comb or the tail comb to just part the hair, just to part out the C part, and then bring out some sections of hair. And after bringing them out, I'm going to put them in a big cornrow just so that they don't get in the way while I'm trying to style the back side or the back hair. Moving on, for the back section, we'll just start cornrolling it. And as I'm cornrolling it in medium sizes, and as I'm cornrolling it, I'm adding little extensions so that the hair can be able to withstand the pressure of needle and thread. And once I get to the end or the tip of the hair, that's for the first cornrow, I'm just going to braid it down and also cornrow box braid the tips. Then the second cornrow, I'm going to cornroll it down almost to reaching the down part or the final cornrow section or the final cornrow part. I'm just going to go ahead to drag the initial cornrow tip to the one I'm cornrolling, just add it together. This is so that the hair will not get bulky at the end. So yeah, I'm just going to be attaching each tip to the next tip of the cornrow like that, just so that it won't get bulky at the end.
One time the request of 42 person web on you. I never want try lose you, try them no on me. Well, I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to want me. I know really man them just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you.
Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo. One time, Tiri boss a 42 person whip on you. I no go want to try lose you, try they don't burn me well. I know fit tire for you, mother lie, say I know do. Suddenly man I come down, man down for only you, yeah. Many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind that just they whiny. Many girls that try to.
Alright, after cornrolling, I'm using needle and thread to just secure the last tip before moving on to installing the hair.
To whine me, baby, no go mind them, just they whine me. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me, baby, no go mind them, just be whiny. So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, will you be my wife, oh baby?
We start by sewing in the back part of the hair just underneath the cornrow, so that when she tries to flip it over or try to flip it into like a ponytail, it will give like a seamless look. And this particular hair, it came in 6 different bundles, so I'm going to be installing each of the bundle in double weft. I'm not going to be installing single weft. The only time I install single weft, it's the finishing part. That's when I'm going to install like a single weft. For the rest of the hair, I'm just going to be installing double weft. That's 2 wefts at a time. The reason I'm doing this is so that I can be fast with the installation. But if you want, you can do like single weft or even like 3 weft or 4 weft at a time, depending on how fast you want to sew in. And also depends on how good you are with sew in installation. If you are interested in learning how to sew in weft, like detailed tutorial, I'm going to leave links in the description box below, just in case you are interested. You can go ahead to check like a detailed tutorial 101 on how to install weaves. Now For all the products I'll be using, or all the products I use, you can get them from our store or from our website www.exquisitesignature.com. Just type www or check the description box. You see the link to our website, Exquisite Signature. You get all the products that we use in this video. The first weft, I'm just going to sew it at the back. Second weft, I'm going to take it from the back to almost to the front. We'll sew it from the back to almost to the front. For the third weft, just to get like a good look at the end, I'm going to start up the third weft in double weft. We'll place it from the front and then sew it from that front down to the back.
Baby, oh yeah, raga, raga, raga for me, Joe. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jojo. I'm in now, so now, and so me go, just see me now. It be like you be my destiny now. This kind of love ain't no similar. I'm in now, more to me, more like go tell me now. No, me or kakirimo. Sumo me girl, baby speak.
After doing that, this is because of the fact that it's a C-cut or C-part hairstyle. So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead to continue sewing in all the weft at the back.
To me now, many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whiny. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just be whiny. So me say, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby.
Alright, when I get to the end part of a particular line, we'll just flip it over to the next line and just continue to sew in. Alright, at this point, I'm just going to allow you to watch the video. Watch it to the end so that you get to see how I finish up the sew in. You will learn something from there too. And yeah, I'm going to allow you guys to just watch so that you gain more knowledge.
Oh yeah, raga, raga, raga for me, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo. I shall need.
One time the request of 42 person web on you. I never want try lose you, try them no on me. Well, I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to want me. I know really man them just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you.
Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jojo. One time, Tiri boss a 42 person whip on you. I no go want to try lose you, try they don't burn me well. I know fit tire for you, mother lie, say I know do. Suddenly man I come down, man down for only you, yeah. Many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whiny. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just be whiny. So me say, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga, raga, raga for me, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jojo. I'm in now, so now, and so me go, just see me now. It be like you be my destiny now. This kind of love ain't no similar. Amina motumia, molaiko, gotemina. No, mi orika kirimo. Sumu mi girl, baby, speak to me now. Many men that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whiny. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just be whiny. So me say, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga for me, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Joe, my baby, Joe, my baby, Joe. I shall need.
One time the request of 42 person web on you. I never want try lose you, try them no on me. Well, I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you.
Alright, after installing, I'm just using my stretcher, professional stretcher. So just in case you are interested in getting this stretcher, you can check our website. Like I said before, check our website www.xpression.com. This stretcher is a very good stretcher. Like, it steams the hair and also stretch the hair at the same time. So yeah, I'm just going to use my stretcher to just stretch the hair a little bit, and after that we'll go ahead to still use a hot comb to also like touch the roots part of the hair. So you can as well check for the best hot comb. Like, you want to get hot comb, you can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. We sell all products, like any product I use here. You can go ahead to check it on our website to purchase. That is if you are interested.
Many men they try to want me. I don't really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you.
Joe, my baby Joe, my baby Joe. One time, titty boss a 42 person whip on you. I don't go want to try lose you, try they don't burn me well. I know fit tire for you, mother lie, say I know do. Suddenly man I come down, man down for only you, yeah. Many men that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whiny. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just be whiny. So me say, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga for me, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Joe, my baby Joe, my baby Joe. I'm in now, so